Hello friends, welcome back to Entrepreneur AJ. In this video, I'm going to show you Amazon product category details and some tricks so you can buy goods and original products with better experience in online shopping. There are three types of products. Fulfilled by Amazon product, first one, and second one is easy ship seller, and third one is fulfilled by seller products. Let's see some FBA product examples. There is a tag A fulfilled, which means that this product is fulfilled by Amazon. In other words, all delivery, returns, and refunds of these kinds of products will be taken by Amazon. Now let's see some examples of Amazon fulfilled products. Here, this is a game joystick. As you can see here, below the MRP tag, there is a tag A fulfilled, which means that this product is fulfilled by Amazon. And here below you can clearly mention that sold by Apiro Retail Private Limited and fulfilled by Amazon, which means this kind of product is 100% assurance with the Amazon, and you can freely buy these products. And let's see some another products with the combo of two joystick, rupees 625 rupees, and you can see here also the in black color A tag A fulfilled. And this product is also sold by Electrobot seller and fulfilled by Amazon. Now coming to second category of product, that is EZCS product, which means that product sold by seller and delivered by Amazon. For example, here I'm search the laptop screen, and this is one kind of product. Let's see which product. Okay, here we can see the tag of A fulfilled, which means that this product is assurance by Amazon, and also all the returns and refund of this kind of product is taken under the Amazon. Now come back and take another example of second category product, which is the rupees 249 product. And when I'm scrolling up, so you can here see that sold by Arjun Design and delivered by Amazon, which means that uh, only delivered by Amazon service, that is ATS, Amazon Transportation Service. So now I'm going to last and third category. Now let's see the third category of product, that is fulfilled by seller. Here you can see here sold by sold and fulfilled by lifestyle seller, which is the name of the seller, which means that the which means that all the responsibilities of this kind of product taken under the seller, that is all returns and refund of this kind of product is guaranteed by seller. And now let's take some another examples of product, that is the cover case of mobile. Here you can see here it is the fulfilled by Amazon product. Now take the another example. Okay. mm, okay. It is also the Amazon fulfill. Take another. Here we go. Okay, this is a multicolor screen cover for iPhone 6. As you can see, this product is rupees 299, and I'm scrolling up. Here you can clearly mention that sold and fulfilled by Zoni 22, which is the name of the seller. as these three kind of products it's sold by on Amazon. Out of these three categories, FBA, that is fulfilled by Amazon, this category product is my favorite, and I personally, when I'm shopping from Amazon, so this kind of product personally buy. Take the another example of third category, which is the tea, green tea of 80 rupees. As you can see here, sold and fulfilled by Tea Express. Thank you for watching my video. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and families. And for more updates, please press the bell icon. You can get my latest notification. Once again, thank you friends.